Where are they? Where are they? All right.
Yo, yo, yo.
Hey! There you
How you
are. Good. How are you?
Yo, I'm all good. I miss you.
Hey!
Hey.
Guys, what's up? I miss you all.
Hello, Pri. How are you?
It's been an interesting year, but there's been a lot of cooking happening, but can't wait to do more.
Gathered you guys here because, as we all know, the holidays are going to be a little bit different now, but that doesn't mean that we can't cook together and inspire one another with our different recipes. So we're doing like a virtual potluck, okay? I need some inspiration, so Pri, you want to kick it off? What we got?
I'm gonna be showing you guys a really fun dish. It's a charred cauliflower with turmeric, fennel, with the pomegranate tahini and crispy sage. I'm gonna add the beautiful florets to the hot oil. Get ready. Oh man, did you guys hear that sizzle?
Feel like I can smell it in here.
Oh my God, smells like Christmas. Guys, I need to show you what this is looking like so far.
Close up, close up.
Just look at that. We've all arrived at the moment where I will be plating. We're gonna take our pomegranate tahini and then we're gonna just spread that.
Look at that color. Oh my God, I'm in love.
We're gonna then take our cauliflower florets and we're gonna add that on top.
Priyanka's all about pretty food. Look at the delicate way that she places each cauliflower piece on there.
And then we just want to add our garnishes. So we're going to go in with our lightly toasted pine nuts. And then we're going to add some of our pomegranate kernels.
Ooh.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at those colors. Come on, vegan queen.
What it tastes like?
Mmm. Oh my God.
I'm mad right now. I want to eat that.
You know what? You did a great job.
You did that.
Thank you,
Pri, you
Priyanka.
did that.
Okay guys, I'm gonna load my dishwasher. This is gonna take me like 2 seconds, so I'm really sorry, but I can't deal with the mess right now.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing?
What?
You're not going to rinse that before you put it into the dishwasher?
What, this?
Hey, look how dirty it is.
No, I never rinse my dishes because I use Cascade Platinum and it's so tough, it takes everything right off.
What have I been doing all my life?
I don't know, but even if you run a small load every night, it uses less than 4 gallons of water. Versus if I were to rinse all this right now, for every 2 minutes of water that you run, it uses over 4 gallons of water. Isn't that insane?
So you mean to tell me all my life I've been rinsing dishes, wasting all this time when I could have just thrown it into the dishwasher?
Yes, you need to get yourself some Cascade Platinum because you could save up to almost 5,000 gallons of water a year if you run your dishwasher every night.
That is crazy. Hang on a sec. Wait. Look what I just realized I had to.
Oh my God, you use Cascade?
I use Cascade Platinum. I had no idea all those cool facts, but I've been using this for such a long time and it works really well.
Nobody told Ro about this secret.
We just told you. Now you gotta go get some for yourself.
You gotta do it.
Yeah.
You gotta do it every night, just like I do. Now it's time to pop in the magic, the Cascade Platinum Action Pad. So this has all the power to get my dirty dishes clean, and that's exactly why I don't pre-wash them.
Thank you so much for showing us how you make your cauliflower dish and then schooling us on some dishwashing facts.
Well, I'm always here to school you.
Throughout. Show us the lasagna. Show us the lasagna.
Tag me in.
You're up.
We're going to make a Bolognese lasagna, and this is an homage to my fiance's family because during Thanksgiving and for Christmas, they always have a huge sheet of lasagna. All right, so a layer of our Bolognese, a layer of bechamel, a layer of ricotta cheese, and then we just repeat it. Noodles. That last noodle I'll break. Boom. Fill up the side. Bechamel. And finally, we've got some cheese. I like a mixture of mozzarella and sharp cheddar, just because I think it's a nice contrast of flavors. Layer that top with the cheese. Little bit of Parmesan. Pop this in the oven. Instead of us waiting for a good 40 minutes for the lasagna to be done, you're in luck. Because I actually made one this morning. Da-da-da-da.
Dang.
Bolognese. A little bit of that Parmesan.
Watch you eat it.
Oh my God.
This is torture, you guys. This is torture. Hey, 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 hey.
Jeffrey, I know you like to do your dishes right after dinner, but tonight we're gonna let these bad boys sit for a little bit. But I can't wait to do it tonight.
So this cassava cake I'm gonna show you guys how to make is super simple. I really don't like complicated desserts because quite frankly, I can't bake. So I'm just gonna melt my butter here. And then I'm gonna add my coconut milk in here.
Yum.
What I'm making here is just a glaze, a coconut brown sugar glaze.
Oh, nice.
Just gonna add my vanilla in there. And then all my spices.
Really nice.
I have the shredded yuca in here. Just gonna make sure I evenly distribute it. So now this cake is about to go into the oven, 400 degrees, 30 minutes, okay? Middle rack. This is what it looks like when it's done.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh my God, stop it, stop it. Stop that right now.
And then we're gonna pop it back into the oven.
Wait, oh, what?
It has to caramelize. Check this out.
Yo, what?
Press. Ooh.
Oh man. Oh man.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing your recipes and a little bit of you and your story with me, and I hope that we're able to learn something from each other. I know 2020 has been a really hard year, but we're gonna make it if we got food like this, right?
Wait, guys, before you go, you have to see.
Oh, shut up.
Look at what Tastemade Platinum can do. I'm just proving my point, okay? So you can save water and not have to rinse your dishes and save time for yourself, and your dishes come out gorgeous.
I'm definitely doing it tonight.
Oh, I'm doing it tonight. As soon as we get off, I'm doing it tonight. Thank you, guys.
Peace.